What's up, guys? Andre with the 509 Reviews YouTube channel. Today I wanted to show you guys something. I'm replacing the shocks on a 2018 Escalade, and dealer wants an arm and a leg. I bought some that I suggest never make that mistake again. eBay actually sells a set of front and back Chinese-made shocks that look okay. I put them on, and I think 4 to 6 months, 6 months maximum. Basically, my ride height went all the way down. Who knows? Now, every time I, go in a little dip in the road or any speed bump, like at a store, and I actually start scraping with my skirt. So those are the pieces of crap. The vehicle went way down, and they don't perform. They went out 4 to 6 months down the road. So don't buy any of those eBay ones I bought. Those are trash. Never buy those. They were $300 for a set of 4. Rears I haven't put on. I'm not even going to, I don't think. But the fronts I put on, and I regret them. They do come with a lifetime warranty, supposedly, or a couple-year warranty, but I don't even know if I'm going to file for those. They're just junk, total junk. So I bought some at Napa, and I'll show you. Basically, I already have. There we go. I already have this one installed in here. It's very simple. You got 2 bolts in the rear, or on the bottom right there. This bolt and that bolt. 2 bolts there you undo. And then 3 on top that you would undo right there. And unclip your, I don't know how far I can shine where you can see. Anyway, 3 bolts somewhere on the bottom there. You can see if you stick your head down in there. You just undo those, and then you use one of these little pry bars, something like this, or a different pry bar. You just do a little bit of this, and it'll lift right up, or you can hammer your old one out of here like this. Just hammer out, and basically all you got to do is just 3 bolts on top and 2 bolts on the bottom, and you have it undone, and the whole thing comes right off. So nothing difficult at all. All you got to do is just get your hands a little dirty down here. And then to screw in your top ones, you would use something like this. A long extension with a wobble on it. You guys see the wobble? So you would use that and tighten up your, top with, something like this. And that's really it. I hope the Napa ones are going to be running better. We'll see. They should. But I mean, it just, when these things went back out, it feels like my whole suspension in the front has gone out. And I've checked out, my suspension everywhere. My bushings are good. Everything's good. My rod ends are good. Everything's good on here. So it's just the shocks. The shocks are bad. They went way low. Makes the whole thing just, when you hit a bump even on the freeway, it just goes all over the place. Just starts shaking everywhere. So I bought the set for like, what did it come out? I think it came out to like $700 a piece-ish, or just maybe even a little more. Kind of high, but hey, it is what it is. Here's the brand that I got. Arnett Inc. air suspension products. So these are supposedly like those adaptive air suspension ones. That side is done. Now I got to pop over to the other side, and we're done too. These are my old ones from the Chinese ones. And here's the Chinese one that you never want to buy. There's not even a brand on there. Nothing. Even the spring itself is way thinner than these ones. So maybe that's why it compressed over. Like these springs and those springs, these are way thinner. Do it yourself, save a bunch of money. It's a real easy job. Like I said, 5 bolts is all you gotta unscrew. Pop this back in. Then when you pop it back in, the bottom is not gonna align over there. So then again, you would use one, you know, something kind of a pry bar, and just pry it this way, pry it, and it will pop right in here. And that's it. You don't have to unscrew anything else as far as suspension goes. Nothing else needs to be done. Like and subscribe if you guys like this video, if it's helpful to you. And if you changed to another brand, let me know what it was. Let me know what works for you and what's lasted, because the Chinese ones from eBay, those are no good.